My name is Adam, and I am from St. Louis, Missouri. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when I was 6 years old. I've been living with this disease now for 10 years. Since my pancreas will no longer produce insulin, I have to constantly maintain my blood sugar manually. I do this by checking my blood sugar, calculating the carbohydrates in my food, and then give myself insulin to balance it all out. I will be insulin dependent for the rest of my life unless we can find a cure. A lifetime of diabetes takes a toll on the body. I witnessed this firsthand as my grandfather, who also had type 1 diabetes, suffered from many of the complications of this disease. He lost much of his eyesight, suffered nerve damage, heart problems, had his leg amputated, and ultimately kidney failure took his life in 2007. I am proud to be part of the 2013 Children's Congress because it is my chance to try and make a difference for the millions currently living with type 1 diabetes. This summer I will travel to Washington, D.C. to tell Congress how important it is to continue to support research to help find a cure. Current research is promising, but more needs to be done. With Congress's continued support, I am confident that we can find a cure to type 1 diabetes.